Hey folks, it's Troy, and guess what? I got a new package and I wanted to share it with you. I'm just going to unbox it today and show you what the contents are, and then I think I'll do a follow-up review once I've had a chance to use this. And so this package was provided to me by thedirt.com and a new company called HeadSpin. And I'm going to open this up and show you what it is. All right, so here's the package. Let's see. So I think some of you guys probably know that I like to do these campsite reviews on thedirt.com, and I just like to share about like my experiences at different campgrounds and so forth. And every once in a while, they contact me and ask me to review a product, and it's pretty cool. And I love seeing new camping gear. And I said, I'd love to see this new product that they have. All right, so that's just the box. Set that aside. And some plastic covering. And then here it is, HeadSpin. And so what it's saying is that it's a convertible light system. Charging station, it's rechargeable, lithium-ion batteries, spin dock connection. So we'll see what that is. And it has 4 functions. It can be a flashlight, a bike light, a headlamp, or a magnetic light. All right, and it says it's IP66 weather resistance. It's up to 400 lumens and up to 40 hours of continuous use. That's pretty cool. So, I mean, this packaging itself is pretty flashy, man. It's pretty cool. I mean, pretty ornate. But let's check it out, see what's on the inside. Let's see. I love this case. Oh yeah, look at this. So it has all these different apparatuses. I think this is just like probably the instruction manual, and let's see what this is. Yeah, just the instruction manual. Sticker, USB connector, and some piece of like rubber or something. I'm not exactly sure what that part is, but let's see what else is here in the case. So this appears to be the lighting unit, and so it's kind of square, rounded edges. Very nice aesthetics. Looks like it has 3 different lights. I'm not sure. And it has a set of 4 buttons up top. I don't know what that's about, but we'll see. So that's the light. Let's see what this is. This is a handle, looks like. This is a headband for a headlamp. And this looks to be like a charging unit. So it has, your standard plug that you'd plug into the wall. And then this appears to be a bicycle mount. So let's see how this works. So I think the way it works is basically when it's new, you probably just take this charging unit, and it has like a little red dot on there and a little red dot on there. Stick it together, and there's some magnets that kind of help it grip, but then it just kind of spins. So the head spins and connects, and then this is how you charge it. So you just plug it into any outlet. So that's pretty cool. And then once it's charged, this is like a handle. You snap it on there the same way, and it becomes like a flashlight. Very cool. And then this is probably like my favorite use is as a headlamp. The same thing. This light unit spins on and becomes a headlamp. And it articulates too, so that's always good. When you have it on your head, you can point it at different angles. And this is kind of unique. This is, you attach this part to your bicycle handlebars or something along those lines. And then you attach this, and it spins. So it can be used as a bike lamp. And then once you get to your destination and you don't need it, you can take this off, connect it to your headlamp. You got a headlamp. So I'm not going to do a full review right now. This is just kind of an unboxing and just kind of demonstrating what this system incorporates. But the system is from a company called HeadSpin, and it's a convertible light system. All right, check it out.